Now, another actress, Ijeoma Imoh, she don't come outside talk something where they make a lot of people, they ask this question. What you go do if your husband or your wife na addict, na torchlighting addict, in like and like say tomorrow not day. Now, what actually happened, they ask her this question. They say, what you go do if you find out, say, your partner na addict, in like torchlighting, I say tomorrow not day. She can't reply. If you like him, I go be in medicine. I go give her the medicine where you actually need. And since I don't want to make you actually go out there, since we are ladies, no gentlemen inside the studio. What do you go do if you find out, say, your husband, nah, addict, nah, torchlighting addict? You have a choose.
Oh, make I tell you the truth, it is very easy for her to talk, say, oh, I go be in medicine because she never reached that stage. Trust me. Even people where be say no be torchlighting, people where be say their addiction na food, to cook every day no be beans. Not to talk about to be they do that thing every minute, every second.
But what will you do?
I don't know. I don't feel give you answer because honestly, I don't know what I go do. True. But it's very easy for her to just open mouth talk, say, oh, I go be in medicine. Now so.
Never, the same way you don't enter, now you go talk. No. She never did that. She know not to take B. So by the time she enter there, honey, but the guy don't stand already. 1 minute too, they don't do finish. 5 minutes don't come again, honey, the guy don't stand again. She has by herself will pack her bag and leave the house because she don't know what she go do. Because at the end of the day, morning, afternoon, night, in between, 10 times in a day.
But you know, say we ladies, they actually fake them. Because a
it's
lot
not
of ladies, they fake them.
Not be the faking
okay,
now.
You want to, yeah, just get it done with. Whether I say my emotions they inside, whether I say my feelings they inside, I don't actually care. Now, what you want on you, yeah, take it.
For how long you go
Thank you.
Yeah, because I get person. We said not be 2 days ago. Now we talk on top of the morning show, and some of us we talk say one of us we talk say he get one friend where we say the husband addict like this every day. They always give her husband. Now, I person go ask and say, what did the girl they do? Because I can't imagine me as a working class woman. I go out and the man won't actually finish my life. Now they thought say the woman a housewife.
So full housewife.
Yeah.
Full housewife, you know it's you. Because this thing where we they talk about now work. Mole goke mole so. I don't far boss you.
My sister, tell them.
I feel go up, I feel down. Now body at the end of the day, now go get the result. So the point I be say, as I talked before, no be food. In as much as every woman out there wants to satisfy the husband, but the point I say no be food. And then the husband where they out there supposed to understand something. You know if you take your body, take and judge your woman body. Woman they different from men. You get the way where you say they knock woman for ground every day before you know she go out past her time.
Yes.
Why you go the young?
Yes. You get some woman, I don't know whether this thing is true, but somebody tell me sometime you go say some woman wear all their chest like this dry. I don't know, better now you don't
I hear what you talking about.
The way you take the shake your head, say you get the way where your chest go take dry or your neck go inside somehow. See that means say the woman don't collect plenty. It don't begin to show for her body.
But somehow, you know why it feel be true? Because somehow I believe. It get person will come my head. No worry, when we go break, I'll go tell you that the face.
No, but for real, somehow I believe. But the point why they try drag out now be say it go show for the woman body. So the man is supposed to understand say this person, me and this person don't sign forever contract. Now you know go good make you as a man they look 40, make your woman they look 65 because of say waiting you they put man for ground every day.
All right, so make we break him now. Break him now. What if you find out say your husband like pounded jam and egusi soup? Him na addict. Without saying chop him a day, enough it actually did normal. As a woman, what you go do? I just want to ask both of them now because now don't marry. For now insult us, say we never marry. I want to ask both of them now. Yeah. They always insult us, say we never marry. Now, both of them now, what you go do if you find out say your husband like pounded jam? You don't try to give him other food. But you know, like not just pounded jam. You go tell you say skimpy, I like this one you do, but I still want my pounded jam. What you go do?
I don't know.
Okay, you go do them.
No, so, see, you know what I say I go do now because even as it is, so you get waiting in the like. Get the particular thing. Maybe forgetting a pounded jam we talk about. I know why I call pounded jam because you need to the pound.
No. Let me say rice. Normal. Let me say rice and stew, or let me say gari. You like to soak gari and groundnut.
That is why you being wife, and that be say 2 often I go understand. Now I like to that to say if
understand.
2 often I know
what's the understanding in here?
Hello, you understand? Say once in a while he need to try to change the diet, and as a
you
wife you need
try,
to take.
But he not change.
No, I tell you. I say understanding. He say he no wants. No, me say no. Give everything he wants. Once in a while, my dear, you give him waiting, you will make him belly sweet and make him happy.
You know what's happen.
I know.
Make answer that
question. Okay, answer skimpy.
You know what's happen. If he say he wants pounded yam every day, I go make him understand say I no fit give you pounded yam every day, but on a day where I won't give you na special pounded yam, na I go give you. That means say as Ebube talk, you go add more skills. You go on your skills. So you know say, even if I want shop this pounded yam once in a week, I no fit shop this kind pounded yam elsewhere. So kill yourself, put inside that pounded yam, give am.
Skippy, give me 5. Just give me 5. Near me, give me 5. That's not why I want to break them down to Wetin Ebube talk now. Now you understand, say your husband na sex, na touchlighting addict. You understand, say Ijeoma, yes, Ijeoma na the girl, not be Ebube. Now you understand, say your husband actually like him very well. Now putting them into practicals like Wetin you talk about food, you feel let him know, say come, honey. I understand, say you like him, but on Wednesday, if I give him to you, I feel even climb up, come down, climb up, come down. So he could actually anticipate for that Wednesday than saying he go understand now, understanding.
But you know, say the anticipation don't mean say you know chop outside.
We don't go chop outside.
No, get me wrong.
I'm not getting you wrong. I don't get you wrong.
Then
The way you understand
if you go shop for outside, I don't do my best.
No, be say you don't do your best. Maybe I try make you understand. Me say if 2 of you don't get that mutual understand, no go work. No matter how you tell and say, honey,
see, Amaka, even without understanding what you used to the brand, because a lot of things go to shop outside. But I'm just saying that sometimes instead of us lying on the back of understanding, be practical about it.
Obviously, you don't give her your own. You must give her.
Because if you dwell on with mutual understanding, if you go outside and mutual understanding outside,
wait,
and you have to mutually understand.
What do you understand my mutual understanding now?
Say una go understand. Say come, I cannot give this. Now
you
okay, explain.
You understand me? Say una go still talk like she talk. She just explain them. The other time they una must talk. I tell you I go cook that food for them. Shebi, but go give her and make her understand. Say there. You know, say you need to watch your diet. Give her different.
No, you say you need to watch your diet.
I talk of diet.
Well,
yes.
Like
give her different excuses. Not just talk that one. Because it get just communication a thing. The way she go take communicate, go different way I go take communicate. So na communication, na the understanding that maybe that not be just what if the understanding. Understanding na the communication. If I don't sit down and talk to her, we go no. You need to tell her and say, see reasons, oh, give her reasons. Now the reason she give.
I actually like that reason.
I give my reason. If you don't work.
I actually like that reason. I like him say, you go tell him say on that special day, what you go put for the egusi? Let me just know.
Oporoko, bokoto.
I like you, Betiana. I like you.
The roundabout. Should I continue?
Continue.
Dry feed.
Hey.
No, continue, stop.
Let's go on a break. Please, when we come back after the break, we go yarn you.
Stop.
Okay, show to her, please. She's giving us demonstration of the egusi.
Oporoko.
This way.
Mama.
Like this.
Stock feed.
Like this.
Bokoto. Goat meat.
Make me pass my break. When we come back after the break, we go yarn you 7 major excuses when ladies they give when they're actually single. Betiana,
this is our turn.
Will they come back?
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.